Hi Diane. Hello John. I'm going to play tennis at 8 o'clock. Are you with me? Oh no, won't be able to accompany you. I have biology classes later. Okay, don't worry. Let's have lunch together. See you at the Oregano restaurant. Okay, I'll be there. Okay. I really like the salad. I think it's very healthy to eat order a salad. Good choice. Make it two salads. Saturday I would like to play sport with my friends. What sport do you like, John? I like soccer, volleyball. Do you like any? No, I like tennis. Sure. I think it a bit boring. Amsterdam. We can do different topics and of sports. Excellent idea. I'll see you early Saturday. Okay, bye John. Thank you.